Secessio Plebis was an informal exercise of power by Rome's plebeian citizens, similar in concept to the general strike. During the Secessio Plebis, the plebs would abandon the city en masse and leave the patrician order to themselves. Therefore, a secessio meant that all shops and workshops would shut down and commercial transactions would largely cease. This was an effective strategy in the conflict of the orders due to strength in numbers. Plebeian citizens made up the vast majority of Rome's populace and produced most of its food and resources, while a patrician citizen was a member of the minority upper class, the equivalent of the landed gentry of later times. Authors report different numbers for how many secessions there were. Cary and Scullard state there were 5 between 494 BC and 287 BC. Beginning in 495 BC and culminating in 494-493 BC. As a result of concerns about debt and the failure of the Senate to provide for plebeian welfare, the plebeians on the advice of Lucius Sicinius Vellutus seceded to the Mons Caesar. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.